How to add a mask in Capcut on PC. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to add a mask in Capcut on PC and Mac. So let's dive in. You can follow the same process for both. So first you have to open your Capcut and then import any image or video that you want to work on. In my case, I'm going to just work with these pixel videos, the stock videos over here. So you can see that this is a video that I have added over here to my timeline by clicking this plus sign. And once you add this video, you have to drag the second video that you want to add a mask to by dragging it and dropping it into the timeline as a second option. And now you can choose any video that you want to add the mask effect to, and then you have to come to this video option, and here you have these 4 options. You have to select the video for this first, and then you'll get these options over here. Now you have to choose this mask option, and right now none is selected. Now in order to add the mask, you can choose a horizontal mask over here if you want. You can go for the mirror one, you can go for the circle one, or you can choose the rectangle one, the heart one, or the star one. You can just go with any mask effect that you like. I'm going to go with this horizontal one. And now you can also reposition this by dragging it over here and moving the circle over here. And also you can choose this option over here and add a blending effect. So that's a process that you can follow to add mask on Capcut. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.